Kumusta mga abyan? It's Vane. Welcome to IKK Podcast. It's another day with another Mix Love Yourself royalty. Eh.
Tama bang matatawag natin siyang crossover queen?
Crossover queen? From BBP ba to?
Oo. Hindi, kasi sumali siya ng Miss Grand, welcome, and Bulaklak ng TLY.
Ay, siya.
Veteran.
Ayan. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Bulaklak ng TLY is another pageant.
Yes.
Pero ginaganap na siya during mga summer camp, di ba?
That's right.
Yeah.
Sumali ka na ba ng summer camp?
Ay, hindi pa. Never pa.
If ever sumali ka ng summer camp, sasali ka ba ng Bulaklak?
Depende.
Baka doon yung crown mo. Baka hindi ka pang
hindi pang
may prototype yun, di ba, per pageant? Baka doon ka.
Pwede rin siya mag-Miss Grand.
Miss Grand, di ba?
Oh.
Miss Grand!
Paano yan? Di umasa yan ngayon. Baka sumali yan next year. Okay, so for this episode, we sit down, literally, and have a conversation with another royalty from Welcome. From Welcome ka, diba?
Yeah.
So Welcome ka nagsistay madalas. So from Welcome, or Love Yourself Welcome, from Athena, we go to Love Yourself Welcome.
Ganon.
Representing. Ganun yun?
Hindi.
Bento kayo. Ano bang chant ng ano? Okay, but before that, representing Batch Tala, Wayne.
Hello.
Diza.
Hello, you guys, and to all our viewers. Welcome to IKK Podcast, and I'm so happy I got invited here.
Hala. Zero siya.
Diba?
Huwag na natin ito ituloy. Mahihirapan tayo.
Oo, Englishera eh.
I pop my balloon, char.
Iba pala yung pinalihan.
Dating game.
Sa true.
So sa Welcome, ano yung, kasi sabi nila, welcome, mabuhay. May chant something kayo talaga?
Actually, wala. But, di ba sabi nga nila, since it's located sa Espanya, Boulevard, so ola kami doon. Ola, Soy Wayne, Diza.
Kaya Latina, ngayon ko lang na-figure out.
Ala.
True. So doon sa official website, yung official group chat ng mga welcome volunteers, we are ought to change our names, Latina names, so gano'n.
At may gano'n.
True to life. So ma-meet nyo doon si Miss Peru, si Nicaragua.
Interesting.
Latina.
Diba?
Latina.
Okay, diba? Ganun pala. Kayo pala Latina. Hindi ko alam yun.
Oo.
Thank
Kaya
you
Latina.
so much. Ngayon alam ko na.
Naliwanagan ito. Charot.
Please, diba? Alam ko na.
True.
Pwede na ako pumunta ng Welcome kasi
yes, may marami tayong
alam ko na.
Char.
Maraming
upuan. You can sit with us.
I love
Tama naman.
I love that. Di ba, Beshi?
Saan ba galing yan? Hashtag
you can sit with us.
Okay, thank you so much. Makakapupuno tayo. Kasi parang coffee shop style siya, diba?
That is so true.
So basically, may upuan talaga.
Yes. Actually, it was designed like that. Yung Welcome, rustic, industrial-ish. So kaya yung mga nagpupunta doon, parang they feel like they were in a coffee shop.
Yeah. Kasi ba may doon before, espresso machine?
Yes. Na working until such time, syempre, hindi naman na-operate.
Alam ko yan.
Alam ko din.
Hindi kasi batch project namin yung Welcome.
Sumayabang kayo.
Sige, ikaw na.
Charot.
Huwag mo na alawin.
Gaano nakatagal ang Welcome?
I think they opened in 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
Ang tagal na. So mas matagal kayo.
2017 naman kami.
Black and white pa nga ang TV.
Pa ako, no?
Totoo?
Charot lang, tas mababash ako dyan, AGC. Bakla, AG Sim. Diba?
Akala ko kasi
Si Gullible naman.
Siyempre malay ko naman kung ay, ilang taon lang siya ngayon.
Ayan ha.
Naisip siya.
At
Gusto ko yung
magbabalik
labas.
po ang aming podcast.
Sige, ako naman, may tanong ako kay Wayne.
Yes.
So, I mean, everyone in Love Yourself knows Wayne naman siguro to a certain degree. No? Pero, syempre, what we do outside of like the advocacy, hindi masyadong nabibigyan ng spotlight. So, sino ba si Wayne pag when you step out of Love Yourself Welcome or pag walang mga Love Yourself na ganap?
Okay. So, anyways, it's a personal question to me, no? Kasi, obviously, I have not been here in a while since I got busy at work. And in relation to work, well, outside Love Yourself, I work as a teacher. I dabbled as a writer too, and a community worker. In fact, I am a board of trustees in one of the NGOs in Paco, Manila, serving the underserved. So prior to joining Love Yourself, yes, I work in the underserved sector also of Manila, catering the demographics of early teenage pregnancy, what else? Sex work. And so that's also one of my motivations in joining Love Yourself. And I'm just incredibly grateful that I've been part of it. So yeah, to answer the question, yeah, I'm a teacher, author, and a community worker.
So,
Triple threat.
So even
Yes,
before
yeah.
Love Yourself, you have your causes na talaga.
That is so true. So, in Minstrels Rhythm of Hope Incorporation, let me just promote our organization if that's all right. We cater kids, underserved kids in Paco, Manila. So, we provide them education or tutorial services after school. And in return, they are trained because it's music and arts oriented type of education. So in return, they are taught to do art. We sell their artwork in support of our overhead operations. What else? We train them to become choirs so they can perform abroad. So that's what we do at Minstrels.
Ang ganda.
In fact, one of our ambassadors, Joy Barcoma, has been named also as our brand ambassador at Minstrels. So it's just a proud moment for me and Joy, and also for the causes we are advocating for.
Oh, ang ganda.
Di ba?
Sabog siya.
bakit pa tayo nandito?
And,
Hindi na kailangan.
di ba?
Kaya lang. Sayang. So, as you may know, sa Love Yourself, madami tayong causes na kino-cover or kinikater, kumbaga. Meron tayong for sexual health, mental health, transgender health, basta holistic na. So, as a Love Yourself volunteer naman, alin yung mas sa tingin mong you navigate towards to na mas yun yung malapit sa heart mo?
Well, initially, I joined because of our sexual health awareness campaign. And because, like what I've mentioned kanina, our demographics back at school are sex worker, and these are kids, ages 13 to 15, doing sex work already at such a young age. Teenage pregnancy, and pretty much sex. So as much as I would love to teach them about morality, I would want to empower them by, making the right choices, responsible choices. And with Love Yourself, I was able to get resources that I am using at school in terms of promoting sexual health. But right now, since joining LY back in 2023, I've learned that there are different areas I can tap, such as mental health, which is very close to my heart as someone struggling in such. And also trans health, we do have trans kids, Some of them I have already sent here to get consultation regarding their transition. So, essentially, since hindi naman masyadong na-pronounce yung sa mental health, which is a very dear and close to my heart, I double towards sexual health na lang because that's what we promote, especially in this day and age.
So very connected talaga yung
That is so true.
reason.
And I'm just glad that, di ba, we are trying to benchmark certain movement from sexual to mental to trans health. And hopefully environmental causes. Char!
Miss Earth siya.
Miss Earth. Diba?
Wala
Ewan ko
yun.
ba bakit hindi binigay sa akin?
Wala yung Earth.
Wala sa crown yung Earth.
Wala sa crown yung Earth.
Nasa bulaklak nga eh.
Oo. Talking about
Nasa
that.
bulaklak nga, hindi binigay sa akin. Ba yan? Char!
So speaking of Bulaklak ng TLY,
Yes.
so you joined Bulaklak ng TLY and have seen previous editions of the Mix Love Yourself. So apparently you can't, come unprepared, lalo na it's not a one-day event. Ito pa lang.
That's true.
It's late night. So you have activities before the pageant night. With all these things, how do you prepare to win?
Well, my goal is simple. Just to be myself.
Mhm.
That's just it. Before, when I joined Miss Grand,
Mhm.
Welcome, as well as Bulaklak ng TLY, I was overthinking a lot. I was over-prepared, in fact, that at some point I forgot to enjoy.
Mm-hmm.
I know it may sound cliche. You probably heard of this from previous candidates,
Mhm.
but coming in, stepping at a new game, because this one is longer, just like what you said. I just want to enjoy this entire journey. I mean, my batchmates, people close to me here at Love Yourself have been pushing me to join
Mm-hmm.
Mix ever since I signed up for Love Yourself.
Yeah.
But then I have been giving myself, what do you call this, the thought and the time to think about it. Kasi nga, it's not a, what do you call this, a one-man show, if I may say that. So you have to have a village. I'm just
Yes.
grateful na, well, with the support that I'm getting from you, from the community, is enough already. And this time, I just want to enjoy.
Mhm. And are you enjoying so far?
So far, yes.
Parang
Except,
hindi.
Kaya nga.
Hindi. So far, kasi it does not interfere with my schedule.
Mhm.
Kasi wala pa naman kaming pasukan. Di ba?
Ah,
Shout out
well.
sa Balik Eskwela.
Nagbrigada na ba kayo?
May brigada pa ba ngayon?
Oo.
True.
May ganun pa rin.
Yeah.
Yung nagpipintura,
Oo,
naglilinis.
Mm-mm.
So, di ba hindi makapag-enroll? Totoo ba? Hindi makapag-enroll kapag hindi nagbrigada?
Hindi naman, pero parang
Ini-encourage yung kasi nila
ini-encourage lang
help.
to have that sense of altruism.
Ano
True wisdom.
Altruism.
Wala dito.
Para
Hindi yan
ma-
nakalagay
para ma-
dito.
Bro, para mabigyan yung anak nila ng award na cleanliness and order.
Order. Tama naman.
Char. Makapromote ako dito na teacher.
At
Okay.
dahil dyan,
Ano?
My game.
Okay,
Yes.
bagong game to.
bago to, as in bagong bago.
Hindi pa
5
natin-
seconds.
Hindi pa natin pinalaro sa previous episode.
Oo. As in, ngayon lang talaga to gagawin.
Okay. Tumbling 3 times.
Hindi.
Char.
Hindi naman siya physical.
Sige.
Ano siya?
Emotional.
Emotional.
Name your amat.
Okay, go.
So, never have I ever.
Oh my gosh.
Di ba?
How does that work?
Di ba? First time talaga, di ba?
That is so true.
Who invented this? Okay, game.
So, ayun. So, yung una magtatanong si Doc.
Okay.
Okay.
Kunwari, hindi mo to narinig kanina.
Sawadee ka. I was oblivious. Be my guest.
Never have I ever committed to doing a volunteer event and backed out last minute.
Di ba? Eto na nga.
Ayun,
I
gusto
have
ko.
never, to to be fair, I treat Love Yourself or any of my volunteer work as work. So whenever I'm asked to perform certain tasks, I do it wholeheartedly, regardless if it's paid or not. So to answer the query, hindi pa. Ewan ko lang kung may chismis.
So,
counter-check natin.
So for the times na halimbawa you cannot fulfill your duties. Hindi yan. Na hindi ka pwede, hindi ka available because of time or schedule. You just say no.
I do. Especially ngayon, 'di ba? Parang there are days na kailangan talaga natin ng volunteer. I mean, our staff could do much work lang to their potential. Pero I understand na kailangan ng manpower. And your commitment, and when you say you're committed to doing the job, it's important. And you have to fulfill that. And I don't do that because parang I don't want to commit to something I couldn't do.
Yeah, right.
And that's just how I value people's respect and time.
Yeah. Tama naman. It's okay to say no, lalo na kung hindi talaga pwede, 'di ba? Kung hindi talaga kaya.
That's true. Kaya dapat nga, 'di ba? Char.
Ano sabihin?
Too many to mention. Emila, tapos bakla ka ng taon, ikaw nga yun.
Nagsilabasan na, no?
Ungkata ng pass.
Ungkata ng pass. Oh my God. Favorite hobby. Chari.
Second. Never have I ever. So, never have I ever had a beef with another volunteer. 5.
Ha? In my recollection, wala pa. In my recollection, wala pa. Pero I think if ever there is, probably it's just indifference in terms of culture. Diba? Minsan, we tend to misunderstood someone because we're not accustomed to his or their values. Diba? And for me, ako kasi, working in a culture meltpot at school, I'm accustomed to encountering different personalities. And sometimes I work as a team player. Pero I don't know if that come across then sa other end. Pero as far as I can recall, I don't have.
Wala naman.
Most well-behaved siya sa classroom. Hindi siya nang sasaksak ng lapis.
Malapit na.
Ay, parang may nag-pop na name when I said that.
Charot lang. No violin.
No violin.
Okay, last. Never have I ever messaged a volunteer after an event.
Like, I did. Pero, like out of romantically, no. Or like on a hitting, ano ba sasabihin yun?
Trying to hit on someone.
Yeah. Wala pa.
Okay.
Oo, sabi nga nila, di ba, huwag kang chumenis sa bakuran. Ganun.
Ay, shucks, hindi nakarating sa Chares.
hindi mo na.
Yeah. There were pilots.
Hindi na.
Sasabihin na, there were
in other words, kasi you do not eat where you shit and you do not shit where you eat.
Uy, makaganyan ka naman eh. You did.
I did?
And I can name names.
Starting. Alphabetical
Let's
order.
begin with
letter.
Hindi. Anong hub?
Why?
Okay.
Uy, nabalitaan ko nga rin.
Si Eme. Eto ka na nga.
Andito yung
diba?
Hindi pwede.
Charot lang. Hi, viewers.
Pero ano, nabalita. Itutuloy talaga.
Oo nga, spill the tea.
Wala, okay. Eme lang.
Pero, ano ba, wala kayong nakuha sa aking tea?
Wala.
Sino ang duck sa channeling? Charot lang po. Wala pa tayo.
Sige, baka mamaya kung saan pa mapupunta ito. Pero thank you so much, Wayne, for joining us and good luck sa competition. Meron ka bang gustong i-shout out?
Yes, hello you guys. Mix Love Yourself is around the corner and I would like to ask for your support, not just for me, but also for my co-candidates. And also, please give like, click subscribe to IKK Podcast. Shout out to my team Welcome, Team Tala, mabuhay. Diba?
Meron ka bang hashtag?
Hashtag for the Wayne, hashtag Wayne Win.
I love it! So witty!
Diba? And shout out sa aking queen maker from Bulaklak, Zoe Black.
Ano ka? Shout out ka dyan.
Shout out! Char, ang dami nila. Oo. At saka sa Project MX ko. Ayan, kilala niyo na kung sino kayo.
Love it!
Yes.
So yung for the Wayne.
Kapong ka.
And thank you mga Bian for joining this episode sa YouTube man or sa Spotify or sa Apple Podcasts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Spotify. Search niyo lang IKK Podcast.
Yes, parang awa nyo na po.
Ay,
Awa kayo.
may take two pa to. Pwede ulitin natin.
Wala na, girl.
Okay.
Ay, hindi.
Dapat meron.
Meron. No!
Diba? Si Ate.
Nagwala.
Attitude.
Nagtag yung table.
70. Tawagan natin si Papa Nawat. Si JJ.
Ayun.
Shout out to JJ.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
JJ.
JJ. So, ayun. We also have another segment with Voice by Love Yourself. So this is a fun and informative segment ng IKK Podcast, which is yung sex positivity. So listen or watch po kayo doon.
And please follow us on Facebook and Instagram at IKK Podcast. Until next time, padayan lang.
Abiyan!
Yes, thank you so much.
For the Wayne.